Good morning, grade 9. Today we're going to talk about the equation of a line. The equation of the line, it has a format of y equal mx plus b. Now, we need to know the m and the b. The y and the x, they are the coordinates of any point that it has y and x. So any point, let's say point A, it has a coordinate x and y. So this is easy. But what about m and b? The m is the slope. And we already talked about the slope, and we said m equal the difference of y2 minus y1, over the x2 minus x1, which means rise over run. Now the question is about b. What is b? The b, we call it the y-intercept. And maybe this is new for some people. What the meaning of the y-intercept? With an easy way, we can explain the y-intercept is the point that the line intersect with the y-axis. This point, this is the y-axis, and this is the line. The line meet with the y-axis at that point. That point has a coordinate of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So B right away, since it's the y-intercept, that means it's 5. In this example, right away we can say the y-intercept, which is B, equal positive 5, since it's over the x-axis. And the slope is going to be the slope of this line. How to bring the slope of this line, we learned before. This is the difference of y over the difference of x. So let's check for each line that we have in this side, the left side. How can I find the equation of each line? So let's talk about the green one. So I'm going to use the green color. To get the b of this line, it's easy. So I'm going to write here b equal, where is the line intersect with the y-axis? At 1, 2, 3. So it's positive 3. This is the b. Now I need the m. The m, we said we can get it from any 2 points. So I can say this point and this point, and from here I can get m. So m is a difference of y. So here, this point has 0, 3. And this point has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means negative 7, 0. So the m right away is the difference of y. That means 3 minus 0 over the difference of x, which is 0 minus 7. So this means 3 over minus and minus will be positive 7. And in general, this should be positive because the line is going up. So since I found b and I found m, right away the equation of this green one equal y 3 over 7x, because m is 3 over 7, plus b, which is in my case plus 3. And this will be the equation of the green line. So I'm gonna take it as a highlight like that to show that this is belong to the green line. Now let's talk about the orange line. So I'm going to try to find the orange color if I can. I don't see it here. Anyway, I'm going to try to find something close to the orange, maybe this one. Anyway, I'm going to use the red one. So in this case, I'm going to say what? I'm going to say I need m and I need b. So m for this line is what? And b is what? B, it's easy because right away I can say that b is the intersection with the y-axis. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means positive 7. M is going to be the difference of y of 2 points over the difference of x of these 2 points. So I can see 1 point here and 1 point here. This one, we said 0, 7. And this point is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 6, 0. So this is a 2 point on the orange line. So I can say right away the difference of y. So 0 minus 7 over, and the difference of x is 6 minus 0. So in this case, it's going to be negative 7 over 6. Is this right? Yes, because the line is going down. So the slope had to be negative. In this case, right away, the equation will be y equal negative 7 over 6x. This is a slope, plus 7. And here I can highlight this equation as the equation of the orange line. Let's talk about the purple line. Okay, I cannot find the purple, so I'm going to use the blue, for example. And I'm going to say this purple line is exactly cutting the y-axis at this point. And this point, it's 0, negative 2. Right away, I'm going to say that b equal negative 2. What about the m? I'm going to try to find another point. I see this point, it's easy, 1, 2, 3, and 4. That means negative 4, 0. So now I have 2 points. From here, I can find right away m. M, in this case, is going to be the difference of y over the difference of x. So negative 2 minus 0 over 0 minus negative 4. And here, the result is going to be negative 2 over negative, and negative is going to be positive. That means 4. That means negative 1 over 2. Is negative right? For sure, because it's going down. So in this case, I'm going to say the equation, it will be y equal the m, which is negative half x, and the b is negative 2, because it's cutting the y-axis at negative 2. And here I'm going to highlight this equation as the equation of the purple line. Now the last one is the red line. So here I'm going to say this red line is cutting the y-axis at this point. This point is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means 0, negative 6. And is cutting another point here. So I can find this point at 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 4, 0. And from here, right away, I'm going to say this red line has a slope, difference of y, that means 0 minus negative 6 over 4 minus 0. This one, negative, negative, is going to be positive 6 over 4. Is this right? I can simplify it even. I'm going to say 3 over 2. Is this right positive? Yes, because the line is going up. Excellent. And the y, and sorry, it's not the y, and the b, I want to say, which is the y-intercept, is at negative 6. So right away, the equation of this red line equal y 3 over 2, which is the slope, x minus 6, which is the b, and I highlight this equation to be the equation of the red line. I hope you understood the lesson, and thank you for your attention.